Well, here we are at the factory at Franklin, and tonight's performance promises to be epic. But before the show, we're going to go and speak with Mr. John Walker about the Music City roots. Well, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you for opening the time for us to be here. Obviously, the show is succeeding and reaching an audience, a growing audience, and the roots is viable. And tonight's going to be a great example of how viable it is.
Thanks. We're happy to have you here and be our guests.
Well, I've been excited to interview you. I know that you have a rich history in music yourself, and I just found out you're a guitarist.
My guitar playing has nothing to do with what's going on tonight. You know, we really, as a musician, I came here and I discovered Nashville 15 years ago as a Detroiter. And I looked around, and in addition to the great history that this town has in music and its reputation as country music city, I realized that there's just a wide and rich and diverse talent pool, just far beyond what I had ever experienced in the mainstream media. So the inspiration for Music City Roots in the beginning was to create a platform where people could discover this music and show that there was more to Music City than what meets the eye in the mainstream media.
So this is live, and this is obviously working with accomplished musicians. But are there other musicians that aren't so accomplished in their careers, not necessarily in their talent, but do they get a shot at the stage?
One thing that we really try to do is to eliminate categories of age and genre and just look to the quality, and authenticity is really a key word. Is it real? Is it authentic? Are these artists truly in it for the right reasons and true to themselves? And you know, pop music isn't what it once was anyway. So you know, we try to just look to the integrity of the artist and try to be a point of discovery, really, for these artists that you might not necessarily find in the mainstream, but very much world-class artists.
Well, that's wonderful. Well, we're excited to be here, and we look forward to tonight's show.
Now the young folks boogie, and the old folks too. Don't nobody boogie like blue flames do. I wanna boogie, I wanna boogie till the break of day.
Would you like to learn more about any of the great destinations we've visited, or dive a bit deeper into some of the topics on the show? Then we've got a destination for you. Visit athomewithdidiayer.com. There you'll find a world of ideas and inspiration designed to give you insights towards a happier, healthier lifestyle. Again, that's athomewithdidiayer.com.